To have these World War II aircraft fly a direct 085 for 27.6 miles to Krimsk airfield. That is where they will land. Take off, they'll fly that direction. Does that make sense?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm in a Spitfire, I just messed up my engine, just taxiing back now.
Respawn.
Sounds good. Come on in.
Oops. Who in the Spitfire? Oops, that didn't work.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, that did not go well.
Someone pushed the button.
Sunray, let's move up a little bit just so that the Spitfire can come up on that runway around us.
That Spitfire, that Spitfire's needing
move forward as well.
Yeah, one Spitfire needs a great deal of repair.
So if we
Respawn.
if we successfully crash into a bird, we're done.
That's it.
Okay.
Then we'll reset.
Unless
Do
you
it
can
again.
somehow keep it in the air.
I was just confirming.
I'm gonna fucking crash this thing on takeoff, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's
Well,
the
then
way.
it
That's
takes
the Grim Reaper's way.
You're going. That's a fast taxi in a Spitfire, mate. Enjoy that turn.
I mean, like the last time, I think somebody in a Tomcat crashed into somebody, managed to keep it in the air and crashed into somebody else.
Double kill.
We don't have insurance. Stay away from me.
Damn, do you want me to do the countdown? I have a.
Please, yes, I would appreciate it.
Yeah, I have a timer.
Insurance, what's that?
Never heard of it.
Oh, please don't talk about insurance. I have big insurance problems right now.
You have an insurance fraud coming up.
No, actually the problem is, you remember the big accident last year I had at work? Yeah, now the insurance company rated our company, or all vehicles in the company, new, and oh my god, they want like 100% more insurance fee on my
company.
Yeah, we
Okay, anyway,
right
I'll read. Oh, you, for fuck's sake, that's.
Oh no, illegal plane, illegal.
Everybody, see that
someone's in a
thing,
yak.
kill it immediately.
I'm letting it happen. The yak can fly.
Fly, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
I'm just gonna eject on the runway now. Gee, Merry Christmas.
Alright, I'll read
I'm ready now.
Who caused the nuclear explosion at the airfield?
That's a pretty small nuclear.
That's the Davy Crockett.
Bonfire for Sunday night.
Yep. Anyway, so bees, get ready. We'll launch in 3, 2, 1, go. 1 minute for us.
Yeah,
Fast
now we have
accelerating
1
when
minute,
Messerschmitt.
1 minute for drinking beer.
No, it's a lot of weight.
Oh,
Oh, it's not crashing from me because I can see anything.
Get
from
another
me.
one.
I can't see where I'm flying in this bloody thing.
What the hell?
So sorry about that.
Can
No, you're
please
not.
be more bees in the air when the
Yes,
yak is
I
on
am.
the way?
Hey,
I'm
not my
all
fault.
hunting the yak.
Not my fault. He literally drifted right into me.
Sounds like your problem.
Well,
No, it's
this is
definitely a
going
them problem.
as good as we could expect.
Are we gonna be able to take off?
Have them despawn.
15
Most right.
seconds.
Yep.
No, that's a lot of fire
10.
on that runway. Mark, you're
5,
going far too fast.
4,
Mark, you need to slow down.
3, 2, 1. Go, 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 Jets.
Who can and who wants can later jump in my instructor seat.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Hey, it's damn fun. Trust me.
You know, I'll take you up on that offer.
Okay, I have the first sonic boom. Game is on.
Anyone see him yet?
No, and I think I got out in front of everybody. I'm flying low. Not even getting enough radar ping. At this point, we have to have already passed him.
I don't know what it is, but I really love to be a bee in Birds and Bees. Just
Why? It's because you love to have
By hiding.
men basically.
It's easier because finding you is the most difficult thing out of the whole game.
to be honest, by hiding is fun, but more fun is when just getting through and evading. That's my fun part.
He lies. It's the cannon. It's the cannon.
You remember, Yak don't have a cannon.
Oh yeah, that's right. You're the illegal flyer. But I'm tempted to shoot, and I'm in a warbird.
A question on takeoff.
What is illegal on
Yes, what's your question?
evading?
If I was in the air, but I was still on takeoff, does that count?
What do you mean?
So I was still in takeoff, but my rate of climb was too quick
I hit
and
Huey and
basically
I'm
stalled
still
out and
okay.
crashed.
That take off again.
Yeah, take a bit.
Thank you very much.
Ooh, Corp managed to down the Huey and I'm still flying. I'm okay. I have no damage.
I'm honestly would say if you are in the vicinity of the airport, like in takeoff, yeah, still in the vicinity of the airport when you crash, you're all right. If you're already like 2 minutes, 3 minutes of flying, then yeah, that's not really takeoff anymore.
Sounds good, thank you.
Yeah, I kind of just gave
Can't
up
tell what I
taking
fucking have
multiple
left.
Yeah.
fucking rocks. I cannot do that.
But the easiest way is like that.
There
If
he
you're on
is.
the other side, yeah, and you see someone doing it,
But
do you think it's cheating, or do you say, yeah, that's fair, you know?
Yeah, I'm on fucking wolf.
That was a good one.
Me and my Russian trucker here.
You guys need to call where they are. I see you guys dying where you guys are.
Oh, I see a Hornet. But Hornet doesn't see me.
Yeah, there's someone else
Probably me.
inside.
Fly, can you tell me if you spot me, I'm gonna flare. Oh, never mind, I don't have any flares.
Pull up. Straight up.
Pulling. I'm gonna do a loop.
Buddy Spike.
No, that's another one.
Oh come on, why I have missed you. I wanna crash into you.
You mean you want to crash into the ground?
Either way, it's a personal problem.
Like always you say to me in Birds and Bees, I want to crash on you, and after that you're landing in the ground.
But Fly, this time I have already downed one Huey and I'm still flying.
So you want to say you deserve punishment?
I'm gonna find you.
Is up here today? No, he isn't.
I don't know.
Actually working on his 50. Finally got time for that. Oh yeah, this is like a walk through the woods. I nearly can sniff that tree air around my nose. Full of needle trees.
They just they basically use the same server mission over and over again. They haven't changed it in a while. It's just easier that way. They haven't added any new things.
Hey Hornet, I was there, but I'm not there anymore.
Where'd he go?
Any blue warbird?
I don't say you. Yeah, I see many, including me.
Buddy Spike.
But you're red.
Did you said blue warbirds?
Warbirds don't have radars.
Ooh. Fly. Ooh.
I mean, when you're on red side, yeah, don't consider yourself as blue? You know? You guys think you are the good guys, but actually we are the good guys here.
So if you guys see them, tell me or tell us where they are.
Yeah, if you go
Sunrise
into
mixing it currently.
if you go into your HSD in F-16s and then make that soy, you can actually select them without a radar. So it's using the AWACS to locate them.
We don't have an AVAX.
Yes.
Well, I'm getting Link 16 stuff, so
Yeah, cause someone other sees it. Another is 16
yeah.
or 18 or
16
14.
or 18. 14 doesn't have a link 16.
Oh, actually, it uses fighter-to-fighter link, and in DCS it's basically the same.
Oh, then the I couldn't see the F14s and the data link as a friendly, so the F14 have to turn the data link
Yeah, it could
on.
be. Yeah, it could be.
Yeah, you have to go through the gesture menu.
Ah, I
Yeah,
found
yeah.
a warbird.
Also, I don't know if could be that you need an AVEX that the 14 communicate with the 16s.
Alright, I think I'm nose on to one.
Well, joke's on you, I'm in the Mirage at 1, so I don't know shit.
Found one.
My link 16 says there's one round here somewhere, but he's hiding in the bushes.
Nay, I'm completely aware. Turn around, fly home.
Oh, who's the blue warbird?
Oh, maneuver key.
There are no blue warbirds.
No, he's a blue painted warbird. 109 painted blue. There's, I think 3 hornets tussling with him.
It's order.
Yeah.
We have 4 targets, and all but 1 or maybe 2 has been identified. All 3 warbirds has there's 2 Mustangs and 1 BF-109 and 1 stupid Russian piece of crap.
Huh? We don't fly IL-16s.
No, I mean Jack. Yak.
Either way over the airfield.
There was a warbird shooting at me. Where did you go?
Auger, make them pay.
Check your 6.
Oh, Auger and Jedi in the air. I feel myself now. Feel myself very safe now.
Fly, there is one Soviet-made plane which I would pay high amounts of money to pay you to get into it.
Is it the Yak?
No, it's the what is the AN2 Antonov AN2.
Oh, I was in one. Alright, flown with one.
Ooh, why? Why?
You know that they in Germany they're actually quite common, yeah. In Germany, yeah, but in Germany they were quite common because the DDR used them quite extensively.
Yeah, of course.
And so they still here often to see and fly around. I mean, it's the fucking biggest double decker you find, yeah. Biplane you
I would
ever
say
see.
that is the definition of flying tractor.
Yeah, it is. I love that thing, and it's
That is-
loud
that
and
is-
roaring.
that-
and
yeah, and it's vibrating and shaking.
I'm in a dogfight with one.
I know on a fly. I know even better. The Mi-8. It is terrifying. It is terrifying in real life.
Even flown with an M8. And yeah, M8 was a bit like, you know what? The one I've flown with, even in Germany with our lures, that thing felt like it's only stuck together with so many duct tape.
Yeah, that's how they all feel.
Can you guys say me again who was again against the Yak? Cause Etchy Badge, I'm at the airfield.
Oh, 29.
Damn it, I almost had you, bastard.
It's called my allies. It's called the trees. Once again, the trees score a kill.
Sunray,
Yeah, that's
Nick,
the
you
way.
have guys on. You have guys near you.
Hey, 14! You look beautiful, but I hate you right
Silver
now.
Echo. I don't know if he's a. I think he's a Mustang.
Remember, guys, the stupid car Yak 52 is your priority target.
Okay, there is a Mustang, silver Mustang, heading for the runway.
Hey, fly.
So close.
Fly, I remember when I told you that I hit Huey and I had no damage. I lied. Turns out if you collide with helicopter, you might lose your wing later on. Crash, 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 crash. Attention, there is a stupid yak over the airfield.
Almost got you.
Guys, there is yak on the airfield. Yak on the airfield. Do something. Kill him. Kill him.
It's skidding. It's
The
skidding.
yak is on the ground!
Not stop. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
You had to get out, I thought. Or is it just on the airfield?
Yeah, he still
No,
wants to
just
stop
still
before
standing. And still standing! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
No. Fuck.
I'm freaking down, guys!
Alright, guys, game's over.
Thought I had him. God damn it, I thought I had him.
Blow him the fuck up.
So, again, the yak wins.
Alright, we've had our yak fun.
Yeah,
That
but
will not happen this next time.
next one needs to be a Muzzy. The complete opposite of the
on the runway.
I believe I have accommodated your yak fetish.
Dan,
Oh, never mind.
hey Dan,
Yes.
you know everyone needs a yak in his life.
So
just respawning or do we restart?
Normally we just respawn.
The jets can't respawn.
Yeah, we're redoing a new mission. So
Like, we not respawn, restart, but not restart the mission.
Yeah, that was my question.
So there's two. Actually, I don't know if we can say that. I'm not gonna say it because I'm not
So, do we all go back, or did the jet stay airborne?
Well, it's a win.
Everybody, the spectators, grab your new plane.
Yep.
Who's the warbird that I'm fighting with? I mean, in F-18.
Everybody feel free to respawn.
No, we'll keep it the square.
Assume
Otherwise,
your
of course-
positions on the runway again when you feel ready.
Again, remember Hornets and F-16, and if we can also do it, then we have 14s, Genio Dayton Con. Obviously we lost, but we wanna have redemption.
So there's quite some holes on, I think, both runways now.
Sounds like your problem.
Sounds like a skill issue.
No, I'm in a helo, I'm fine. I was just wanted to point that out.
That's the part of the challenge.
Fuck.
Oh yeah, they're working.
It was at this moment.
They knew.
He fucked
Nice one, Zevo.
Corp, it's in this time it's going our way, yeah? At this moment, they knew. They fucked up.
Are you taking the yak? Because I ain't gonna have a PTSD on the yak.
Nobody's taking yak.
Hey, I said it once, I said more often. One win, always needed for the yak every time we do birds and bees, yeah?
Dodge,
I did my part, so now it's the Mozzie.
For the record, I almost shot his ass, but 3 F-18 got in my way. Or should I say they were trying to get in my way, in my cockpit with me. I had to dodge them.
I'll tell you what, the Saber's a wise choice. The Saber is a wise choice.
I need to say, yeah,
Choice.
I don't know who was in that silver
Find the target.
P51, but actually, you made my job easier, because everyone looking for the P51, not for you, Yak.
Yeah, that was me. That's what I was talking about. I was about to shoot you. We're over the runway, but the F-18 came after me instead of you.
Why you want to shoot me? I'm on your side, yeah?
Because 2 months ago I was the F-16 that ran into you midair and I crashed and you kept flying as if I never touched you.
Sunrise on the ground at the moment. If I'm not in position when you start the mission, just carry on now.
Hold position. Dodge 1-4.
How am I being buddy spiked on the ground?
Somebody has an F-86.
Hold position.
A saber? A saber?
Hold position.
Yeah, Saber. You can
Saber has a very rudimentary radar.
Hold position.
and you can also get some quite low speed in a Saber if you're
Dodge
careful.
1-4. Hold position.
And it will turn nice and tight for those measure
Dodge
snips.
1-4.
Yeah, Saber is literally it's the
Dodge 1-4.
how I say it's the last pure blood dogfighter that U.S. Air Force ever made, and I would say that's a good thing.
You forgot the F-8 Crusader.
Yeah,
What you're
exactly,
telling
you
me.
forget the Crusader.
Are you gonna say that Crusader is the dogfighter? It's fucking
Yeah,
No, you said the last dogfighter.
You said the
You said
last one.
dogfighter.
Yeah, it was the
I
last
said
dogfighter.
last pure dogfighter. Like you cannot say that F-8 Crusader is dogfighter. It's not very maneuverable.
Of course!
F100. What
The
about the
fuck?
F100?
Dodge 1-3.
F100 is not a dogfighter.
Not a dogfighter. Not in this situation.
I would guarantee you, we should suggest a chat where we can get
And if to be
F-8
honest,
Crusader.
actually, 16, even I don't like it's always good on, but
original
F16 was
old-
made
yeah.
to be good at dogfight.
Yeah, it was made as a dogfighter, but the average almost immediately got modernized because the original version was not supposed to even carry the original F-16 version didn't have the BVR radar, which is stupid.
Dodge 1-3. Hold position.
That's my opinion. It's like
Yeah, you're completely
Dodge
right.
1-3.
it's like why they even bothered, because if it's just like it was originally designed to have a couple of old crappy sidewinders and a gun.
Dodge 1-3.
Don't forget the walkie-talkie.
Yeah, the radio, whatever, but still like
Wait,
it's,
wait, you need to think about the time. The thing was, it needed, or was in plan to complement F-15s, who had the BBR thing, and F-16s would be, or should be, the low-cost complement to them to go then close in. So entering the fight behind the 15s, and then go close in, so the 15s don't need to close in.
I think the
That
thing
was the plan of the Air Force.
I think was the Russians were planning
To be
the
more
same, but
to be
they
more
made
precise,
it.
it was the plan to fight a mafia, but the Air
Yeah,
Force
but
branch
they
knew
were,
better.
yeah, they were idiots. The fighter plane mafia were literally
No,
idiots.
actually the thing was that the Air Force never wanted F-16 at the first place. Actually, they just wanted more 15s. But Congress said, no, not more money for F-15s, it's too expensive.
Yeah, but even the original
And then came and then came F-22. And then came F-35. And now they love 15s and make it EX.
Fly, do you understand that F-15 EX is more expensive than F-35?
It's not as expensive to maintain.
It's a missile.
No, it's the why they are using the F-15 EX is because they need a missile.
Yeah, the thing is called, it's the thing of US government and US military. They want to make something that is less expensive, and finally they always make it more expensive than the thing they had before.
Because I'm gonna say this one, you can put a new hat on a dead horse, but it's gonna still be a dead horse.
It's less expensive to maintain.
Is
And
it
train.
really?
And
Yes.
Yeah.
And train and maintain. They don't have to switch over to facilities.
What facilities?
Corp, think
Shepard
about
Air Force
all
Base, to be
the,
precise, for the mechanics.
Corp, all the guys who need to be trained, the pilots, ground maintenance,
Yeah,
everyone.
I understand.
And think about an F-35, F-22, the stealth coating.
Have the warbirds already taxied? I haven't seen anybody roll up yet.
Yeah,
all
we're on the runway.
moving parts to keep that thing stealth, but at the same time can deploy weapons. All that stuff is so damn expensive to maintain. To keep it working. An F-15 is just
Yes, there's plenty of room on the runway. You could pull up in front of the taxiway.
the 15EX is in comparison damn simple stuff. And damn easy to maintain.
That's true. Yeah, especially when the stealth burns off fast.
Yeah, that's why you don't fly too fast on a 5th-gen fighter. That's literally, I think that's the. I have to remind you guys. All of the information according to real stuff on F-35 are classified, and the U.S. tradition is to. I'm just saying it. It's to, if they give something out public, they are usually giving slightly lower number than it's in true life is that, for example, the top speed or something like that. They don't do like Russia, who is just making up the capability but doesn't exist. They are like downplaying. I don't say that they are downplaying in the F-35. That is the tradition, but they have always done.
Okay, Corp, I make it easy to understand for you. Think about why Sweden loves the It's that
because they made it there.
Simple. Wait. Just listen to me. They made it damn simple and easy to maintain. Yeah. It has not the greatest air force, so and they need to have the capability to use it from damn any fucking street with 6 guys off the ground.
I'm gonna
to be honest,
you,
think about an F-35. Wait, let me explain. Think about an F-35. That thing needs to get maintenance. Needs to give. And yeah,
Right,
I know the Finnish guys make it work.
I'm stopping. Sorry.
But it never will
We're on the runway.
work as the first flight.
Do we have 1 minute set up on the timer?
Yep.
All right.
Let's do
Warbirds,
this.
helicopters, in 3, 2, 1, take off.
No crash yet?
I'm already getting buddy spiked. Amazing.
Fuck Mozzie! Wrong way! Oh god. Hey, I'm on track back. I'm back on track. Come on. Komm schon. Krieg deinen Arsch in den Hof.
Dodge 3-1. Another, cleared for startup. Dodge 3-1. Negative.
Who's ever in the Hornet behind the F-14? I've got a bunch of people in front of me I'll let go before I take off.
You guys in the warbirds know that you're supposed to fly the airplanes, right?
Dodge 3-1. Another,
What are you
cleared for
talking
startup.
about? I like to drive.
Oh, finally get that British beast in me.
Okay, sorry, timer already went. Let's go, guys. I was just looking at the runway, which wasn't clear, so I couldn't dare to. Okay, Jets, go.
Negative.
It's already 1.5 minutes.
Dodge 1-4.
1.5. Will be a 5-minute head start.
Dodge 3-1. Hold position.
I was just looking at the runway, and I see that runway wasn't
Dodge
clear, so
3-1.
I.
Hold position. Dodge 3-1.
Oh,
Hold
boy.
position.
Woohoo! Oh, that thing is so much bigger than my yak. Oh god.
Dodge 3-1. Hold position. Dodge 3-1. Hold position. Dodge 3-1.
Okay,
Hold
I see a
position.
mosquito flying like right here.
Dodge 3-1.
Where?
Hold position. Dodge 3-1.
Right
Hold
there.
position.
I hope you have Bite Away with you.
Dodge 3-1. Hold position. Dodge 3-1. Hold position. Dodge 3-1. Hold position.
There's an F-16 dumping fuel. I don't know if
Dodge
it's normal.
3-1. Hold position.
I've probably got a small leak.
It's F-16 drivers. Yeah, they are a bit strange.
I had to avoid let's just say issue 25 because I was looking down and doing something else. It's only fuel.
Ford 1-1. Hold position.
Back here, German. I see you.
Ford 1-1. Hold position.
Give him a little, he likes
Ford
it.
1-1. Hold position.
Couldn't be visible, German.
Uzi. Ford 1-1. Hold position.
Oh, guys, can you confirm who is with the fly? I wanna just know.
Ford 1-1. Hold position.
Who's following the Mossy?
Probably about 5 or 6 planes.
Hold position.
5 or 6 planes, like everybody, type and blue coat sneak.
Yeah, it goes. Looks like the F-30, F-82 open shooting.
Damn, are you the Muzzy? We're all hunting?
Oh, yay. Stalling. I guess I'm gonna have to turn the flaps on. No, not the gear. And in that process, I lost him.
Hold position. Ford 1-1. 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 Hold position.
I will kill you.
Ford 1-1. Hold position.
I don't know if I like that Damp is occupying all of them, or I don't like, because I like them.
Ford 1-1.
You're gonna die. I'm gonna die. We're all gonna die.
Ford
Except in my case, not today.
What
16 is on the runway. If you
fucking-
want to go
what
ahead
movie
of me,
was it?
I'm having issues with control.
F-86, what are you chasing?
Hey guy, hey buddy.
For things to chase.
What freaking movie was that?
Battleship.
Hold position.
Oh god damn, yeah, I remember.
Uzi 2-2. Hold position.
But damn cool move he did.
Yeah, banger movie.
Uzi 2-2. Hold position.
Not that like realistic, but it's
Uzi
just
2-2.
a
16
great
on the runway. If you
movie
want to
with
go
great
ahead, I'm
music.
having trouble.
F-18, beat the burn right now.
Ford
We're
1-1.
rolling really
Hold
slow.
position. Ford 1-1. Hold position. Ford 1-1. Hold position.
I mean, think about it. It's basic. The whole movie is basic on that board game sinking ships. Yeah.
Hold position.
I hate you.
Uzi 2-2. Hold position.
Yeah, too bad there was only like one scene in the movie where they actually did that.
Uzi 2-2. Hold position.
Oh damn! That was occupying all of us.
Hey, damn.
Uzi 2-2.
Who's flying real low?
Damn. Is damn still in the air?
Hold position.
Don't you shoot at me, Dan. That's not nice. I can't shoot back.
Hey, wait. Since when damn needs to
Warning
be
you to
fair?
back off me.
Uzi
Damn, you're
2-2.
still flying?
Hold position.
I am not the one you want to fight with.
Uzi 2-2. Hold position.
Damn, keep them occupied. I'm close to airfield. We want a Muzzy win here.
Hold position. Uzi 2-2. Hold position.
Who's the guy with black smoke coming from their plane?
Uzi 2-2.
That's
Hold
fuel.
position. Uzi 2-2. Hold position. Uzi 2-2. Hold position.
Let's get this Muzzy running here.
No radar to help me out.
Sup, Mustang?
Can't tell if that's a blue or not.
Hey, Shazam.
Yeah.
I didn't even need
Two
trees for
enemy
that one.
airplanes, pretty much run right in front of you.
Yeah, I
know.
scrolled out.
I'm not sure if I should divert or
Damn it.
maybe sneak below him.
Ooh, B-51. Jedi, does it hurt?
You
Does
managed
it hurt? Does it hurt? I'm still flying with that damn center fuel tank, which makes it unstable. Yes.
Oh, I was just coming, you know, I have a wonderful formation flight with you, and I decided to bail out when you tried to shoot me, and I was just coming back to give you a hug.
I thought we had this talk, damn. You know, something about taking the fuel out of that center fuel tank on the Mustang.
That sounds like your problem.
You know what I hear here? Me.
And I helped you out earlier, and this is how you show anything at all.
Yeah, you know me
That's
too
how
good.
flight works.
Oh,
You know me too good. I needed to bring that. Hey, Frogfoot! So lonely here, huh? Hey, 16, don't dare me that. Papa wants some meat.
That was close, fly.
But it's you, so I'm safe.
Yeah, I tried to go head on with you.
I am wounded.
Oh, F-86, millimeter downer, and I got you.
Chester's such a fun AI. He's up for 6, right in front of you. Doesn't work that way, Chester.
I thought when he jets, I even point toward the ground.
Okay, I had my Frogfoot fun.
Did you die?
At least I hit him. Hey guys, you all want to play with me?
You cowardly tomcat.
Booma.
Hey Dan, I have many guys here who want to play with me.
Come and get me if you can find.
Clear for startup.
Perfect time for a beat to land here. I have some guys occupied.
On my way.
Yeah, just land. There is nothing happening over the runway right now.
Fight me.
Oh, come on, that was so close.
Nee.
See, Dave, I've adopted the strategy that if you're chasing me, you can't land, which means you won't win.
Oh, if that's your strategy. Oh, Augur, really? I needed that wing.
Got him.
Uh-oh, that will hurt.
Nice
That will
one.
hurt.
Okay, I should
Thank you
keep
for
saying
avenging
this,
me.
but screw it. Jet, you do know you have limited fuel, while the Warbird can stay up all day if necessary.
Exactly, that's why I not corrected you. Damn. It's all in your hands to make the Mossy Glory.
Ooh, there is Tomcat in front of me with the wings folded. That's a sexy, sexy plane.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn, why do you have your flaps half out?
Doesn't that help with stalling?
Behind is about to land.
Right now, when he's just cruising, it actually slows him down.
But he has to maneuver, so right now speed doesn't matter.
You know, he's not maneuvering because no one of you guys know where he is.
Oh, they know where he is. They just can't maneuver to get him right now.
Down.
No, it's another one.
Did I just hear we won again?
Well, maybe.
No, it's not.
No.
What was that, F-16?
Darn.
He's dead.
Damn it, I tried to.
Good
Wait,
job,
wait.
good job.
Question, who's player and flying a Yak 52? That's my
no one.
thing.
Oh, my gunner is still alive.
Oh, damn.
Mission version F-16.
That was a 16.
So close, so close.
Who else do we have left to kill?
Snick, I have eyes on you.
Definitely not me.
There's the mosquito right behind you. Snick.
Yeah, damn it, I've been trying to keep him off of my 6 for about half an hour.
Another clear for startup.
Uh-oh. Damn it!
Everybody's been like, I don't know where Dave is. I know exactly where he is. I'm trying to bring him to you.
Ooh, did you guys front fire? Ooh, did you know that who this was?
You know what?
Stay on the runway. Stay on the runway. Stay on the
That
runway.
is still standing. Yeah.
He's out. Victory's ours.
That was a nice landing, Deb.
Damn. You got the Mossy Glory.
I did it! I did a thing!
Damn did a thing. Definitely did a thing.
Well, that pilot or co-pilots definitely do a thing to the aircraft. He needs
Oh,
to go
right
to mental
now,
health.
yeah. What is mental health? Damn,
Oh,
damn,
damn. That lady's on fire,
doesn't,
never mind.
Damn doesn't know what mental health is.
I told you guys to fight me.
1-3. Hold position.
I followed you.
did. They just
damn,
went crashing.
damn. Now it's where is your plane right now?
Pull up.
He touched down.
It's called victory.
Let's go victory.
Oh damn! I was diving.
I suck at this.
And about 5 seconds before this, I had like lag. So it was still fun. I tried.
You